The Mega Gulper Floor Tool is a revolutionary tool that can make vacuuming significantly faster. It has been designed to be 30% wider than a standard floor tool and therefore picks up more dust with every pass. Its patented design is perfect for edge-to-edge cleaning. The Mega Gulper has been scientifically proven to clean 25% faster than a standard gulper tool, making commercial cleaning much more cost-efficient. In addition to these great features, the Mega Gulper has soft, non-marking wheels so you do not damage the floors as you clean. The Mega Gulper is the perfect tool to clean faster and more efficiently than ever before. Pick yours up from Godfreys today.